Okay, lower arm or wrist stretches. We're going to show you how to stretch the wrist flexors and the little pronator muscle there. So what I've done is I've just put a table up. You can use a bench, whatever. But what you need to do is you're going to take and spread the fingers of one hand as far as you can. You're going to start by placing the fingertips down onto the tabletop or the bench. Get all the fingertips down. And then slowly try to press the hand palm down all the way. Now most of you, some of you I should say, may not even be able to get your hand flat on the table, and that's okay. Then what you're going to do is just stretch it from there. And as you're holding that stretch for 30 seconds or 5 deep breaths, inhale, exhale longer than the inhale, try to work that hand down a little bit, that hand on, until the palm is completely down flat on the table. At that point, if you still don't feel a lot of stretch, what you can do is just simply just back your body up a little bit, keeping that palm down. You can use the other hand to kind of assist that, keeping that palm down until you feel sufficient stretch in the underarm here. Okay? And again, holding for 30 seconds or 5 nice, long, slow, deep breaths. I'm going to show you real quickly what that should look like from a side angle. So again, fingertips spread wide. Put the fingertips down on the table first. Palm facing down, facing forearm facing forward. I'm slowly putting that palm down to the point as far as I can get it. If I'm not getting a stretch, you may not need any more after that. But if you want more of a stretch, then simply start to back up a little bit and you'll see the angle change. And that's about the maximum for me. I don't need any more than that. I feel a good stretch. I'm going to hold that again for the time that I've told you. If you're getting pain in the back of the wrist, that's not really a stretch. You've got something going on there and you may need to see somebody to relieve that, okay? And that's it.